Hello, David and Brian, and all CS50 staff. My name is Andrew, and this is my video presentation for the final project Capstone. I have created a web application called Streamania. Basically, this is a movie and TV shows tracker. So this is like a one place where you can browse or search for movies on TV shows streaming by 9 popular streaming services like Netflix, HBO Max, or Disney. I believe that this web application will help people to get some actual information about some movies or TV shows streaming right now faster and easier. So you don't have to visit each streaming provider separately. You can get all information in one place. So this is how my homepage will looks like after registration. You can log into your account. Homepage will show you some basic information about each provider. New arrivals tab will get you to the hottest movies, to the list of our hottest movies which are streaming right now by all providers. Movies will get you will get you top lists, first 12 top 12 IMDb movies, and then top movies by each provider. Top 12 movies by each provider. TV shows, same information just for TV shows. Also, you can filter by genre, for example. You can get top movies in animation and also top TV shows in animation. And also, you can filter by provider. Advanced search will help you search for some specific movie or TV show, for example, by title, or you can filter by provider, by genre, or for example, by years. My profile will show you your personal profile where you can get basic information, your name, username, email, and also how many reviews do you have and how many movies in your watch list. And also you can change or upload your profile image. My watch list will show you the list of the all movies and TV shows added to your watch list. You can delete from your watch list if you want. My reviews tab will show you the list of all your reviews. You can see the movie and then your review. You can delete review if you want. So this is how looks each movie or TV show personal page. You can like or dislike this movie. You can see basic information, IMDb rating, year, some cast and genre, and some description. You can delete or add to your watch list. Add for then you can add a review or edit your review if you already edit your review. And from here you can get to the streaming links. You can see which streaming providers are streaming this show or this movie right now. If you click on this link, you will be redirected straight to this provider to see to watch this movie or TV show. So this web application has 6 models, 18 views. I have created I think 16 HTML templates, and from front end I'm using some CSS for styling and also pure JavaScript, some functions. So basically that's it. I hope you like it. See you.